Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate some upper back exercises that may have been shown to you by your therapist. So the first one we're going to do involves no equipment whatsoever. Lay on the floor, or lay on a mat. So here, what you're doing, you're going to put both your elbows into the floor, and you're going to press your elbows into the floor in an attempt to raise the torso off the floor. So you're here and you're pushing. Feel the upper back contract and release. Press the elbows into the floor, up. Feel that contraction between the shoulder blades and back down. Press, up, hold for a second, and you're back down. Okay? So that's an upper back exercise that requires no equipment. If you have a dumbbell at home, what you can do here, okay, bend one knee, support your arm like this, and up. Feel the muscle behind the shoulder blade, contract, up, contract, and come back down. Controlled, up, and down. Alternatively, you can rest your arm on a bed or a table, and that is at this level. Up, contract, and down. Okay, what you don't want to do is to let the weight drop and pull your arm like this, because then you're going to injure the rear part of the shoulder. Always protect that area. Come up, contract, come back down, slight bend in the elbow, up, contract, and down. Of course, then when you're done, you switch over to the other side. Okay? If you have a piece of resistance band, okay, you have to use this resistance cord right here. Okay, so holding a piece of resistance cord in front of you, at shoulder level, pull, feel the muscle behind the shoulder blades contract, come back to the front, muscles behind the shoulder blades are contracting, control, control, okay. But what you don't want to do is to let the cord pull your hands forward very quickly. So when you're here, you don't want this. Okay, the exercise is not this. Okay, it's this. Control and control. Okay, and do these for the required amount of repetitions. These are 3 effective exercises for the upper back. Your therapist will direct you as to which one is most appropriate for you.